Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to April's layout reveal. Didn't get as many as I normally do done this month, but I'm still happy. So this one was done for the Tres Jolie Kit Club. Hold please. This one was done for the Erica Rose design team. This one was done for the Cut to You design team. This one was done for Spiegel Mom Scraps design team. I had a lot of focus on design teams. This one was really fun. I like that one. Okay, we're all over the place here. This one was just a very fun hexie, and I don't remember. I think this one was for March as one of the one of the sketch challenges. So that one was fun. This one was, I don't remember what it was done for, but it was fun and I was able to use lots of rub-ons. This one was a May I Scrap Lift You, something like that. It was a really fun one. Now I'm putting layouts that are going over here. I will hang up on my wall. The other ones going over there will go into an album. So I always switch up what I've got hanging on my wall for the month. This one was just a fun one where I used up lots of product. This one right here was done for the Tres Jolie Kids Club. Absolutely loved this one. I don't remember what this one was done for, but it was fun. I think this was just a rando layout that I completed this month. I think this one was for Paw Your Way. Really fun, really busy, really crazy. This one was for a members. Got a little shaker packet in there as well, using up some product. I don't remember what this one was done for, but it was fun. This, I think this was Mixed Media Mayhem. This one was a very, very fun one. What are we stuck on here? Okay. Fixed it. So that one was a lot of fun. I really like that design. This was a lift. It's really pretty. This was for my mixed media class that I did. This was for Spiegel Mom Scraps. This one I got a lot of shout outs, and I think it was really this bold blue background. I really like that one. This was for the for my members. We did some fun stuff there. This one I really like, and it was for Ginger Bush's 5K subscriber hop, so I used a lot of stuff up on that one. Very cute. This one was done for the Erica Rose design team, and I absolutely adore that layout. This was done for the Tres Jolie Kids Club. Love this one too. Boop. This one I did for the members, and we did a color wash. I really like the way that turned out. And then this is the Mixed Media Mayhem. That was the last one for the month, and I really do like the way that turned out. Oh, also Pink Fresh Studios. Kind of failed on the Pink Fresh. This is the only, these three items right here are the only things from Pink Fresh. So, And that is it. So let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got to get rid of 2. So I definitely want to keep these 2. I like this one. I really like this one. I really like this one. If I had to get rid of 2, it's probably going to be those. Well, yep, it'll be those 2. So I'm going to hang the rest of them on the wall. And that is it. So don't forget to check out everyone linked down below that is playing along with the How to Kill a Kit with Style. I didn't really use a lot of it, but I am making my... Wow. Anyway, she's seeing somebody outside, so I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.